Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, My Kinda Art, with me, Florentino, and for today's video, I'm continuing with my Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle drawing of series. First, I started off with Michelangelo, then Master Splinter, then Leonardo, and the Hothead Raphael, and now I'm drawing the Ronin Rabbit, Usagi Yojimbo. And he's loosely connected to the universe of the TMNT by first appearing with them in the comic books. But before we get started, if you're new to my channel, hit that like button, ring the bell, leave a comment, and let's get to it. I'm drawing Usagi Yojimbo, and he's this cool looking Ronin rabbit, and his design is just aesthetically just cool looking. He has white fur and blue clothing, and his weapon of choice is a katana. And again, I started off drawing with a drafting pencil with a very light sketch, and eventually finishing off with some cheap black ballpoint pens. So enjoy this time-lapse video, and thank you guys for watching, and there's going to be more with this TMNT series. See you later. Bye-bye.